tops die back. Right here you can see there's one. I know I'm going to get one. Last year I had 14 pounds of potatoes in my hill. So we just pull these off, pull the plants off. They're all connected to potatoes. I started way down about 18 inches with my potato plant, and as it grew I buried it, and every time you bury it, it produces another potato here. It gets another root on it and it'll produce more potatoes. So I only grow one plant, so it doesn't take up my whole garden. I don't have a lot of garden space. And here we go. I use really nice compost so it's not sticky and muddy. And the potatoes grow really nice in the soft soil. Getting little tiny ones here at the top. I don't know what to expect. Here's the original. That's the original seed that was cut in half, and it's rotten. We could use these for seed potatoes next year, but I'll eat them. Here they come. There they go. I don't know if I'm going to make 14 pounds this year. Here's as they grow. There's little bitties. It was kind of a hot summer. There's one kind of rotting away. Keep going down to the original plant. Usually that's where you get the most. Here they come. Another rotten one. Might have been too wet down there. Too much water. Here they come. Once in a while I miss them. And then next year I get volunteers that come back. Here comes the mother load. Here's the bottom. Here's the bottom plants. Rotten. I think I might have to get a shovel. Look at that. Am I gonna make 14 pounds? Hee-haw! Here they come. Think I'm done. This one you think you're done? Let's see. I think I'm done. A couple little babies. There we go. Maybe that one pushed us over the 14 pounds. We'll see. Okay. Fresh potato salad. Nothing like fresh potatoes. Now it looks like a rock, but I guess it's a potato. Oh, here they come. Okay guys. Hilling your potatoes. Takes up less room in your garden. And look at how many potatoes you get from cutting up one potato.